Hawkins here with Chickenhawkfarmstead. Today I'm going to be changing out the filament in my 3D printer. It is a CR-6 SE, I think that sounds right, Creality. And I was going to show you the easiest way that I found so far to change out the filament. I mean, there's little tricks and stuff that I guess everybody has, but these are my tricks and this is how I found to be the easiest way to get this job done. Check it out. Alright, so there's our 3D printer there. Here's the filament currently in there. I was just printing some stuff with that. It's little rocket ships actually. They're not one piece, they're two. Centerpieces for kid's birthday party. But anyways, so we're going to remove this because we want to make some out of gray next. First thing I do, hit the prepare and either preheat, either one. We want to get it up, the nozzle up the temperature, so that way this releases. Next, release your tension spring. And I just pull. Is it the easiest? No. Just give it a good yank. And you want to try not to bind this up because you want to save your this here as much as possible. You can see right there. That's where it's pulled out of the nozzle. And then we'll slowly wind it the best we can back on here. I've watched a lot of different people's way of doing it. Nothing looks clean and simple. I guess one of your easiest ways is maybe to cut it and fill it, which you could actually get two types of colors if you wanted to do. I've done that before, cutting it halfway through. But so anyways, pull this and there we go. You can see, well, maybe see where it came out of the nozzle, and there still will be residual nozzle, so we'll have to push through it the next. I'm gonna take this off, open up that next one, and then show you my couple of tricks I got for getting it through here a little bit easier. Alright, here's our new filament we're going. This is one of my favorite brands. I've had a lot of good luck with it, the Overture brand. And this is, what is it, Silk PLA. See there, it's like a silver color. So we're going to load that on. And when you take this off, we're going to trim this down to more of a point here in a second. And you'll see what I'm talking about, because that's going to help us guide it through the, what's this thing? This is the sensor to make sure there's filament coming in, and then our actual feeder right there. So let me get this trimmed down real quick and we'll be right back. Alright, so I trimmed it down using the filament trimming tool that actually comes with this machine, and you know, kind of make it a point. And now this stuff has a natural curl, so if you kind of rub it, you can get it to straighten out some, and that's, you want to get it at least, I'd say 5 or 6 inches of it somewhat straight before trying to feed it in, because there is a gap in between here. And some people, you can actually print a piece that actually fills in that gap. Some people don't. I haven't got around to doing that. But also, once it gets into your feeder here, we have trouble getting in here. So you'll kind of see how straightening it out will help. Alright, so let's push this in. See the blue light comes on, lets you know that it's in there. And now, one thing that I figured out, if I can get this done, you can usually get something in there to kind of help you and guide it in, which I'm going to have to put the camera down for that. We'll get that in this hole. Give me just a second. Alright, you can see it right here. We got that put in there. And now I can kind of slide this, but it still runs into a dead end. And that's where it's trying to go into the tube on the other side. What I try to do, get a good grip of this, and you can actually twist it. And it'll actually, because there is still going to be a little bit of curl. And that will get it, I don't know if you can see it, just by grabbing that and twisting it, it puts it in the tube. And now you can see it's going through the tube. So we're going to push it all the way through. Our hot end is still heated up. We haven't closed that yet. And since we want this to be all one color, we're not going for a multicolor. I'll continue to push. And let's see if I can get the focus on the hot end there. There we go. So you can see as I push, it comes out. And we're just going to keep pushing until we see gray. Yeah, let me get it. I don't want it to burn back onto the hot end too much. Keep it going. So you can see just that little bit that's left, even though you saw how much it looked like everything got pulled out, it didn't. So, quite a bit of the blue still. But that's it. Push this down until you see gray, and then close your switch there, and you're ready to start printing in your new color. That's it. Have a great one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hopefully I'll have some more 3D printing videos coming soon.